students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will study about abstract nouns. I have a separate playlist of nouns in English language on my channel which contains all the types of nouns, and I will also continue its advanced series. So you can check that out. The link will be available in the description box. Now without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into it. Let us now understand the meaning of abstract nouns. An abstract noun is a name of a quality. So it names a quality, it names an action, it names a state. Abstract nouns refers to ideas that we cannot see or touch. So basically abstract nouns cannot be touched, they cannot be seen, but we can experience it through our basic senses like the sense of sight, or we can feel it. If to understand this phenomenon, we can take an example of the word happiness. You cannot see happiness, right? Or you cannot touch happiness. You can see happiness on a person's face, right? So happiness does not have an identity or a physical identity. Okay, you can feel it in the person's face when a person is happy through his or her expressions. So that is why it names a quality, it names an action, it names a state, and therefore an abstract noun cannot be touched or seen, but it can only be felt. So now let us understand the examples of abstract nouns. I told you that an abstract noun names a quality, an action or state. It can be any quality. For example, goodness, kindness, beauty, intelligence, generosity, cleverness, obedience, honesty, brightness, wisdom, bravery, courage, hardness, and softness. And there can be many more that you can even imagine of. Next is action, like that of laughter, theft, movement, judgment, etc. Then it names a state. For example, childhood, which is a stage in a person's life, boyhood, manhood, youth, slavery, sickness, poverty, death. So these were the examples of abstract nouns. Let us now understand how we can form abstract nouns. So we can form an abstract noun from adjectives, we can form them from verbs as well as from common nouns. From adjectives, like describing words. For example, kind is an adjective from which we get an abstract noun, kindness. From brave, we have bravery. From ill, we have illness. And from honest, we have honesty. Next are from action words, that is from verbs. We have from obey, we get an abstract noun known as obedience. From grow, we have growth. From please, we have pleasure. And from perform, we have performance. And the last is, it can be formed from common nouns. Common nouns like from child, we get childhood. From slave, we have slavery. From use, we have usage. And from partner, that is a common noun, we have partnership. We have formed an abstract noun from adjective, verbs and common nouns. I hope you like this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning, keep growing.